Top 3 critical mistakes to avoid when using hammer crusher machine. 1. Feeding incorrect material size. What happens? Feeding oversized or overly tough materials can block the crusher, cause excessive wear on the hammers, and reduce overall performance. What to do? Always ensure the material size is within the machine's specified range. Use a pre-screening process to remove larger particles that could damage the crusher. 2. Neglecting routine maintenance. What happens? Skipping regular checks and maintenance, such as inspecting the hammers, rotor alignment, and lubrication, can lead to inefficiencies or even serious breakdowns. What to do? Implement a consistent maintenance routine. Regularly inspect the hammers for wear, replace them when necessary, and keep all moving parts lubricated to ensure smooth operation. 3. Overloading the machine. What happens? Loading too much material at once can overload the system, causing blockages, overheating, and potential damage to critical parts like bearings and rotors. What to do? Avoid overloading the crusher by adhering to the machine's capacity limits. Load material gradually to maintain consistent performance and prevent strain on the equipment. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you can ensure your hammer crusher operates safely, efficiently, and lasts longer. If you want to know more cutting-edge information about environmental protection technology, please follow us.